Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is 771, jewels and stone. So in this question you just have here given a two string which is jewels and stone. Okay, so in this question first you just have to return the different types of stone. Okay, this you just have to return the different types of stone. So first you just create unordered set which will store the jewels. Okay, unordered set jewels, and then I will store autos for auto C in jewels, and then I just have to push j dot insert C. Okay, and create count variable to count the different type of stone, and again for auto C in stones. Okay, for auto C in stone you just have to check if you just have to find the characters C. Okay, j dot find C as not equals to j dot find j dot end C. Then you just have to do count plus plus, and if it is not, then you just have to return. After this you just have to return the counts. Let's run this code. The unordered set, sorry, you just have to write the data type. Sorry, it isn't char. Okay, int. Let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Thanks for watching.